Two of the accused of the church murder in Trelawny recently appeared in court and they were remanded in custody. Hi again and welcome. This is Links to Blood 7 TV. Let's talk. And we're about to provide you with the details of this to come on the program. We ask you, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell and click on all so you're always in tune whenever time we post new videos. We'll be right back after this short break with the details to come. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links to Blood 7 TV. Let's talk. It's just over 2 weeks since the brutal slaying of Miss Andrea Lowe Garwood as she sat in church, worshipping and giving praises to the Most High, when her life was snuffed out in full view of other church members. So the accused in relation to this homicide were in court yesterday, and two of the three men charged in relation to the murder of the banker that took place inside a church in Trelawny were remanded in custody when they appeared in the Trelawny Parish Court on Monday, the 15th of February. They are next to make their second court appearance on the 2nd of March. So the men are identified as 29-year-old Javoy Janoy Garwood, who is charged with murder and conspiracy to commit murder, and Dwight Bingham, who is also charged with murder and illegal possession of firearm. Garwood, who is the stepson of the victim, and Bingham were both represented by attorney Mr. Thomas. A third accused, Leon Hines, appeared in the Home Circuit Court in Kingston on Friday, February 12, and was remanded in custody also until Thursday, the 18th of February. Now, this sent shockwave throughout the entire local church groups and also the country at large as news spread of how this female lost her life tragically as she sat in church on that fateful Sunday morning. So Hines, who is the alleged getaway driver in the crime, is in discussion with prosecution on a plea deal. Hines is being charged with murder, illegal possession of firearm, accessory before the fact, accessory after the fact, and conspiracy to murder. 51-year-old Andrea Lowe Garwood was shot dead during a morning worship session at the Agay Christian Fellowship Church on Sunday, January 31. This led to a massive investigation by the Trelawny police, which then led to the arrest of the stepson and also the getaway driver and another individual who the police believe was actually the man responsible for firing the fatal blow. Now, the police have so far arrested all the suspects that they believe and have so far seized the getaway vehicle based on preliminary reports that are out there circulating on social media. But it's very sad to see what transpired in this case, and there have been many speculations going on online in relation to what this might have stemmed from. And one of those facts was that Miss Garwood married the father of one of the accused in this latest crime of hate. And I can tell you, when we look on what transpired in this recent case of an individual losing their life, it's very sad to see how these individuals carry out this vicious act in full view of a packed church congregation adhering to the COVID protocols, but people were still inside the church when this unfortunate situation occurred, and they would have witnessed this playing out right in front of their very eyes as this was being live streamed on Facebook when this unfortunate and untimely event occurred. We have also received reports that this killing was in relation to properties left by Mr. Garhood, which was then sold by Mrs. Garhood. And this triggered a whole entire argument between the family and has so far stemmed to her losing her life. But I can't even begin to imagine right now what the families of both parties are going through at this difficult time, considering the fact that Mr. Garwood would have just lost his life last year in a serious motor vehicle accident in Trelawny or St. Anne's, I believe. I'm not even sure where the accident occurred, but Mr. Garwood lost his life after a getaway vehicle crashed into his and he succumbed to his injuries. But what happened here is very unfortunate, and it just goes to show you that whenever you come on to family issues and family disputes over property, land, house, car, you have to be extremely careful, especially when you're dealing with people that you don't know anything about. This could have been simple avoided only if one of the individuals did not decide that they wanted to have that level of greed within them and want to take it all for themselves. Now, look what happened. Everyone has lost it all, and no one now is there to reap the real benefits that would have been garnered based on the fact if everything was settled and settled evenly. However, we'll continue to just track this story and keep you up to date with the latest report to come on this. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk. Peace out and bless. And much respect goes out to you, the viewers, as always, for watching.